Come back. So we are done with the column creation and the links with it on the ground floor. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be replicating our links on the upper floors, and don't forget that in the upper floors we have a link created here. So what we can just do is select these links and delete it. So sorry, Ctrl Z. So what I'll just do is select the link and delete. Okay, but it's not going to delete for all other floors because of the issue of the select similar. So I'll just select it and go right all through it and select it. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to select link, select it, object types, and I'll select links. Just select it and close it. So all the links are selected automatically. I'm going to replicate it and I'll go to story. So we have the second down to the roof. So click apply, click OK. Yeah, so we are good to go. So we can check them around. So you can see it on the roof. So I'm going to copy the columns on the next floor and replicate it down to the roof. Okay, so I'll just select these columns. Okay, so select it, then come here, deselect object types. Sorry, I'll come there to singular story rather. So come here, one story, then select this. Okay, make sure you press escape and all other stories are not selected. Then I'll come here and select deselect. So I want to select object type, so I'll select this and links, and I'll choose deselect it, deselect it. All the links in these floors are deselected, so make sure you scroll in to confirm that the links are deselected. Like you can see, this link is deselected. Once I click it is selected, once I click it is unselected. So I select this, replicate, and put it on the root story. Click OK. So I'll check my root story. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to be modeling the beams.